This video will show you how to make a new slammer cable assembly for the FSU-2A155 large tension test stand. The test stand is designed to test load pins on two measuring heads, the AM5K and the AM3K. The larger AM5K is tested to a maximum of 10,000 pounds of tension, so therefore uses the larger 17/32 cable. The smaller AM3K is tested to a maximum of 5,000 pounds of tension, so uses the smaller 5/16 cable. Both ends of the cable assembly are the same. There is no top or bottom. Over time, cables become frayed, kinked, stretched, and worn. This video will show you how to replace the cable in the slammer cable assembly. The procedure shown here to replace one cable end would be repeated the exact same way for the other end. For this demonstration, using the 155 large test stand, a length of cable exactly 57.5 inches is needed. Use the 17/32 cable for the AM5K and 5/16 for the AM3K. When installed, both entire cable assemblies will be 60.5 inches long from end to end. The entire cable assembly is a combination of these components: the proper cable for the test, a rope socket cone, a rope socket body, an adapter, and a cable slip assembly. After the old cable is removed, the new cable will be installed in a rope socket at each end. The entire cable slip assembly comes wrapped in this protective plastic. Remove the plastic and be careful not to lose the spring or any of the small internal parts. You will also see a light metal cap that needs to be punched out and discarded. Now take the socket cone and the rope socket body and slide them over one end of the cable. These two parts may be screwed together before installation if desired. Now slide the cable slip body over the cable. Now take the cable slip fingers and slide them over the cable as shown. Make sure that all the fingers are attached to the ring. Now slide the spring over the cable and note the amount of cable that is sticking out past the socket body. If the socket cone has not been previously screwed onto the socket body, do that now. Now slide the adapter over the end of the cable and screw it into the socket body. Make sure that the adapter is completely screwed into the rope socket body. Now push the cable up into the adapter until it stops. The cable is now locked in place. Repeat the same process on the other end of the cable assembly. When completed, if properly done, the entire cable assembly from end to end for the larger 155 model test stand shown in this video should measure 60.5 inches. With repeated use, the cable may stretch, but adjustment of the connection points on the load cell will compensate for some cable stretch.